Hello, my name is Margit Tolle. I'm working as senior researcher at Estonian Crop Research Institute. And the topic of my presentation is the negative diff conditions reduces calcium deficiency in jury on chervil. Diff. What is diff? The diff is a difference between day and night temperature. Positive diff when day temperature is higher than night temperature. Negative diff when day temperature is lower than night temperature. Effects of negative diff. Reduced internode elongation, plants are compact. The aims. The first objective here was to show that diff could be used to control the height of chervil plants. The other aim of the experiments was to assess the effect of diff on the level of tipene in chervil. Another aim of present investigation was to assess the effect of diff on the chemical composition of chervil plants. Treatments. Negative diff. First, negative diff, day temperature 18 degrees and night temperature 23 degrees. Positive diff, day temperature 23 degrees and night temperature 18 degrees. And you can see here the development of injured leaves on the chervil plants according to the time and temperature regimes. In beginning, they until 34 days after showing, both treatments don't show differences, but as the calcium deficiency injury is becoming on plants, there will be more and more differences according to the time. And you can see here the first regime, which was negative diff, shows the decreased number of injured leaves on chervil plants at the end of experiment, and the second treatment, which was positive diff, shows quite high number of injured leaves on chervil plants. The total number of leaves and the number of injured leaves per plant of chervil according to diff. You can see here that the height of chervil plants was lower in negative diff conditions. The number of leaves, total leaves, were not different between those treatments, but the number of injured leaves, tip-end leaves or leaves with calcium deficiency was much less with negative diff conditions. The content of calcium in young leaves in chervil according to diff. The content of calcium in young leaves was much higher in negative diff conditions. And why is it important? Because when plants are stronger, they don't suffer so much under pests and diseases. Photos of chervil experiments in greenhouses. Left healthy plant, right injured plant. You can see on photos here how on the right photo here how is looking like tipene injury on chervil, so that young leaves can totally die of this injury. Margit Tolle discovery. In negative diff conditions, plants remain more compact. This was Roar Moe, who was discovering it from Norway and have lots of papers about it. Under negative diff conditions, if plants stay more compact, they contain more calcium and there are fewer calcium deficiency symptoms on plants. This is not a patent, fortunately. Advantages of higher calcium content. Vegetables contain more calcium when they do grow not too fast, and they get enough calcium for growth. Plants suffer fewer diseases and insect attacks. In plant nutrition, calcium is often referred as plants' first line of defense. Increased calcium levels in leaf tissue can greatly decrease pathogen ability to invade the leaf. Adequate levels of calcium in plants also aids the plant's ability to isolate an infection. A plant grown in these conditions contain more calcium, has better storability. Plants containing more calcium have stronger cell walls which do not allow leakage of cell liquids. Conclusions. Negative diff could be used to control the height of gerbil. Reduction of growth rate reduces the incidence of tip and injury on leaves under negative diff conditions. Negative diff is suitable growing condition for fast-growing plants which are susceptible for calcium deficiency. And if you are more interested in this topic, you can read it in the last year published book, Methods to Avoid Calcium Deficiency on Greenhouse-Grown Leafy Crops. You can buy the book at morebooks.com and amazon.com. Thank you for your attention, and if you have some more questions, you can reach me by email margit.tolle@gmail.com.